Hi everybody, Grandpa here. Well, I tell you what, let's go over and give our bird just a little bit more form, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we are, my goodness. Now, we've got to give our bird here a little more shape, okay? And we're going to do just exactly that by using a darker value of the yellow, okay? Just like that. You can see how I'm just turning my wrist like that, okay? And I've taken the yellow and I've put some mauve in it, but you could use purple, it'll work just as good, okay? And we just come up here, we're just going to mix just a little bit more, okay? And all of a sudden, he's getting shape. Okay, so you get a little bit bigger, a little bit more shape. And this is what we need to do here to have a contrast between this shade and this shade, or the values. Okay, so we got to work on that. And we are doing just exactly that. Okay. Now let's grab a little bit more of the yellow, touch more of the mauve, like that. We'll come out here and we'll make that just a little darker, just like that. See? Just like that. Okay, and all of a sudden, our bird's got shape. He's got depth, okay? Alrighty, now tomorrow we'll be working up on the head, and it won't be long until we'll have a completed painting. So be with me tomorrow, and remember, as always, I love you. I love you. I love you.